Today we're turning into a synthwave track. Let's start with our chords.
Come give me something I can feel.
And we can layer these with other keys and pad sounds. The bass line's simple.
Don't you, baby?
We're just taking the root notes of the chords. Lead time. We're copying the vocal melody.
Don't you need me like I need you now?
This preset is from Grain X4, which is currently on a huge Black Friday discount.
All you gotta do is just
Check the link in the description. Synthwave drums. Shall I break these down? We have a kick, a snare, and a two-step hi-hat, with some toms and perks.
don't you.
Who would have thought? Rosé on an 80s style synthwave track? Let me know what you think of this in the comments. If you want to grab Grain X4 on the Black Friday discount, then make sure to grab it fast using the link in the description.